What's up, you guys? Kevin Buddy over here. Welcome back to Video File Freak. And today, what you're seeing right here is the Brookstone Keychain Projector that I actually did a unboxing and a review on it. I like this little thing. It's portable. It's pretty decent. I mean, 320 by 240, not the best resolution, but you know what? For a little projector like this, it's not that bad. Now, I get a lot of requests asking me, what does this look like when you plug in the game console into it? So actually, I have my Xbox 360 hooked up to it, and then I'm going to show you guys what it actually does look like through the projector. So over here, I got the Brookstone Keychain Projector. So one of those is the HDMI input, and then the other one is the power USB, because it's dead. It was dead when I tried to plug it in. So yeah, it is on. It is on. And it is projecting at the wall. And then I have my Xbox 360 hooked up to it. So let me turn off the lights and let you guys see it. So it's on right now, as you guys can actually tell. Let's swing by at the... it's not that bad. I mean, 320 by 240 resolution, you don't expect it to be the greatest thing in the world, but I turned the volume off because, it's pretty damn annoying. What the fuck? 320 by 240 resolution, so you can't really see the... the writing. So, technically this projector is just strictly for video. So, yeah, let me, start up a game. Let me do Mortal Kombat. So a lot of people asking me, what does it look like when you plug in the game console into this little projector? And, for $30 for the price, it's not that terrible. I mean, you can't see the writing because it's 320 across by 240 down. But, yeah, I mean, I could see everything. Sometimes you can't complain with $30 projector that literally is the size of a keychain. So, I mean, it's not bad. Not terrible. You just can't read the writing over here. Let it load up. I'm not going to play a game. I'm just going to let it go through the demo reels. But I mean, honestly, for $30, that's the size of a keychain, hence the name, the Brookstone Keychain Projector, hooked up to a game console like this, it is... I mean, see, yeah, you could read it now. But when it comes to desktop, forget it. But the colors are actually really, really good. This is actually using an LCOS technology. A lot of people don't know that, but it is using an LCOS technology, projection technology. So yeah, I mean, it does not look that bad when you, it is not that bad. I mean, it doesn't look that bad because it's not that far away from the wall. But if you actually could play games like this, I don't really see the reason why you wouldn't. Yeah, like I said, you can actually read the writing on the projected image. So yeah, this little keystone projector, you can actually play a game. It is not that terrible. It is not that bad. Actually, I'm really surprised about it too. It is not that terrible. Now you can't see the writing. I mean, if you know about the Xbox dashboard, yeah, Xbox Home and all this other stuff, but yeah, I mean, can't complain. I mean, certainly I can't because this thing cost me next to nothing. Let me see if I could throw a video on there. Gotta go to, there we go. See, now I could barely even see it, but I know what video I want to play. Picture quality is not really that bad. I'm actually still surprised that this Brookstone Keychain Projector actually does really, really well. I am generally surprised. Really surprised. So there you go, you guys. That's a better demo of the Brookstone Keychain Projector. Do I recommend it? Of course I do. Why the hell not? It's $30. It's a keychain. You know, you could just put it in your pocket. I mean, if you guys want a full in-depth review, just look the review up on my channel. And, yeah, make sure you're watching it in the dark, because I think this is like 5 lumens or whatever the hell it is. But, yeah, it is, not that bad. Not that bad quality. Alright, guys, there you go. So, I'll see you guys on the next video. Please leave a like, please subscribe. And, yeah. It is not that bad. And, of course, it has a speaker in it. So, you get a fan. It has a fan. It has a speaker. It's LED. Mini HDMIs. No, micro HDMI. So, you got to get a micro HDMI to full HDMI cables, which that's pretty cheap to look for. And then you get colors like this. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. And then you get colors like that. Now, if you want to use this, I recommend projecting this far. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if you want to use this, project it at this far. Do not take this projector and bring it all the way against the room and project that at the wall. It'll look shitty. You'll definitely see the pixels. But if you're like, the wall's right here and the projector's right there, if it's like at this distance, then yeah, it's pretty sharp. It's pretty sharp for what it is. And then you guys can actually hear the fan in it too. So, there you go. So that's what it looks like when you plug in your game console, like the Xbox 360, into this little projector. So, I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.